Hi YouTube, we've decided to make some cinnamon rolls in the portable lunch boxes and heat it up in the car and see what happens. So these are the lunchbox stoves that you can get for your vehicle, RV, or trailer. So it works off a 12 volt and they come in different makes. So as you can see, there's a Coolatron. This one, I don't know who makes this one, but it was from Princess Auto, and it comes as a Field and Stream. And then the other one is the Super X, and I don't know who makes that one, but it looks very similar to the Coolatrons. And trust me, they do work, and you'll see a few different meals in the videos. We're going to put 4 in each. We're going to drive for a while and see what happens. Here we go, we just stopped. And this is the Coolatron. And the other one is Super X. And again, I got these ones brand new. I don't know if it'll focus. $5.99 at the thrift store. And this one was $5 at the other thrift store. So we're gonna see if the bun's cooked. Yeah, look at that. They smell good. See these ones? These ones look good too. Okay, there you go. Pillsbury buns. That's the cinnamon rolls. Okay, we're back. They weren't quite done, so we have to flip them over, and we'll give them another maybe 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. We just cooked the other side. Oh, they smell good. And yes, they're cooked. And this one is the one we tried, and these are cooked also. So there you go, Pillsbury cinnamon rolls in the little lunchbox cookers. Thanks for watching.